You just said you run advert for people, and you want people to know that you run advert. You run advert to the people. Is it clear? Are you sure? Okay, let me break it down. Your job is to run adverts for people. There's no way they will discover you. The only way they will discover you, you run an advert targeting the people and telling them that you run adverts. So if you are really good in running adverts, your advert will bring those people. Can't see, you are still thinking about it. If you run an advert and it's not bringing the people, it means that you are not good in running adverts. Because the next question the person will say now, I've been running adverts, but I'm not getting clients. Because you are not good. Advert is not just clicking on boost. Advert is not just going to the ad manager and start doing things, being busy. No. It's a holistic thing. The content is there. The context is there. The copy is there. The design itself, or the whatever thing you want to use as the content. What platform you are placing it on? Who are you targeting? All these things are together, but most people don't know the budget. This program we are doing for free now. Guess how much I spent? I ran an advert to get them to come for this class for free. So my question to you now is, how much did you think I spent? Because I'm talking about budget, right? So how much do you think I spent? It's just a guess, 100K and above, okay? Now for just the advert that I ran online, I paid money to Facebook and Instagram. I spent 130,000. 130,000. So somebody's wondering, Sare, teach me how to grow my group. The way your groups are always filled with people, 1,000. There's always people, you have a lot of people. Uncle is money I'm spending. This one I'm teaching you now, you will still see it online, and I will still spend money this today. I ran 2 adverts. Each of them is 20,000, 40,000, and they are going to run for the next 7 days. Should I tell you what the advert is benefiting? It's bringing people to the class. I just ran the advert, like is some of my videos, some things I've said that are very impactful. I just ran it. Anybody that is interested in what I have said, I targeted them, then they will come to my WhatsApp. That's what I'm doing with it. It's not as if I'm going to make money, I'm not selling anything. No. So those people now, when they come to the class, they will now know what I do. They cannot do business with me. That's why I have a lot of people that do business with me. There are many companies that I run advert for, right? There's one company in Dubai right now that I run advert for them. The company is in Dubai, but I'm running advert for them from Nigeria. I used to have a company in Australia, UK, US that I run advert for. How? I ran an advert showcasing myself, telling them I can run adverts, not just in the generic way. So in that case, in that one, you will not come. I will not teach you step by step, gradually, what you will do. Because the generic way is everybody say, if you want to run advert, a successful advert that converts, contact me. That one is generic. Anybody can talk like that. Anybody can put that. And that's not what I put out. There is a way. And it's not something I can teach in this video now. I say, so are you holding it? I'm not hiding it. Even if I tell you now, you will still not be able to do it. I just told you now I spent 120. Do you have 120,000 to spend now? Even if you have 120,000, do you know what you will configure and how you will do it? You still don't know. What kind of content do you think you will use to get a company or an organization to come and meet you to run adverts? In a nutshell, what I have said is that you will need to come to class and learn. It's me you ask the question, right? So me, I'm not answering you. I don't know about another person's answer. Me, I'm not answering you. You will come to class and sit down under me. I will not teach you. This is what you are supposed to do. This is how you do it. What kind of company do you need? This one, okay. This is what you do. This is what platforms you use. This is how to do it. This is how to do it. This is kind of content. If you use this one, it will not work. This one you will use. So running advert is not by saying I'm not. So when I say I can run advert, I'm good at running an advert, I'm an expert in running advert. Facebook and Instagram specifically. It's not by just saying it in my mouth because I want to say it. No, I have a result to prove, and I'm not at the stage of proving anything to anybody again. I don't need to prove a point. I am the point. I've answered your question. Let's move to the next question. Thank you so much.